Hi there, students. I recently had a question about what's the difference between to unseal and to open. Well, I think firstly, open is a much more general word. Yeah, something that's closed, you just open it. But something that's sealed has been shut or closed officially. For example, a house where maybe a crime has taken place and the police have come and they say this is a crime scene, and they put tapes around the building and they say this building is sealed, this is a crime scene, and nobody can go in there, and this building is sealed. And finally, when they finished, they unseal the building, they take everything away and they let people go back in it. Whereas when you just come home and the door's locked, you unlock the door and open it. And that's not sealed, that's just open. Okay? You could have to seal something hermetically so that the air can't go in or out. It's completely sealed, it's airtight. This word to seal and to unseal reminds me of Carter opening or unsealing Tutankhamun's tomb. This tomb has been covered in huge amounts of sand and earth for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they unsealed it by taking away all the earth and rubble and sand, and then they could finally open or unseal it. Let's see, this word to seal, let's look at the history. Where does it come from? Okay, a seal is a piece of wax with an official design, normally a ring or something like that, that has been impressed into the hot wax. And in the old days, letters used to have a seal to prove that they hadn't been opened. And the letter would be tied up with string, and hot wax would be put on it, and the seal would be pushed into the hot wax in order to show that it hadn't been opened by someone else. And therefore, when you received your letter, you broke the seal and you unsealed it. Okay? Or, for example, an envelope. An envelope has a flap, and I can just close the envelope and open it again. But if I take the envelope and I lick it and I close it, now the envelope is sealed. Yeah? Unsealed envelope, you haven't licked it. A sealed envelope, it's stuck down. Okay? So an envelope that's not sealed, you open, you don't break. But an envelope that's sealed, you need to break open. So, now, what about formality? I think open and close, 5 in 4.